ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong kala Pynlong ya ka Jinghikai babnia ka ba arsngi ka batmu ban kentio ya ka jing tibet chong kinong khmi ya ki Dawai Pynïap Khniang bat kinong di Dawai Pynïap Khniang jong ka jalan ka jing tmu jong ka ni ka long ban pen le jingmut ha ka ba pen ko bor ya kinong ya shimbanta da ka jing sngo thu ka ba janai ya ka Insecticides Act jong usnem khat khandai spa hre phra bat ki insecticide rules jong usnem khat khandai spa nyo phwei ka bala pen ya so lang ya gi jing shempang ha ka liang ka theory bat gi jing pen I ke bala ban le la ni practical.
So what we are recommending to the insecticide inspector is to go with the label claim of the pesticides as per the CBSC recommendations, and by the end of the training, the inspectors have the confidence and full knowledge about the act and rule. In coming days, these inspectors as well as the dealers have the responsibilities. They will implement the same in the Meghalaya, all over the Meghalayan districts, to control the misuse of pesticides in the field, and same way they will educate the farmers for better use, better awareness in this case of how to use, how not to use.
So these inspectors has two rules here.
Yeah.
One is at the dealer level and the other one is at the farmer level.
Yes, they have their roles to control